Free channel. In today's video, I will show you how to hide dock on Macbook. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. The macOS dock is a handy place where you can store your most used application and access application and a feature currently in use. Typically, it sits at the bottom of your screen. Of course, the dock doesn't need to be at the bottom of the screen. You can pin to the left or right by altering its placement in your system preferences. And what if you want to hide it? You want to see the full screen of your MacBook screen. So you need to hide the dock. How to do it? So simple. So you can just open your system preferences on your MacBook. Now you can just go to dock and menu bar. You can click on that. And in here, you'll find there is an option like you can change the position of dog. And in here, if you want to hide it, there is an option automatically hide and show the dog. You can just tap on that. You can click on that. So as you can see in here, your dog is hide, disappear from your screen. And if you want to see the dog, you can just slide your cursor to this so your dog will be appear. So simple, right? So that is how to hide dog on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.